Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Recycle Ideas with Dira. Today my video is about the homemade nail base. The function of this nail base is that it will strengthen your nail and it will protect your nail from getting discoloring. This is chemical free and it will help you to protect your nail from the harmful effect of your nail paint. The first ingredient is sanitizer. Okay, nowadays everyone has sanitizer. Take little bit. Okay, your second ingredient is Fevicol. If you have a clear glue also you can use. And the third, the secret ingredient is limestone. Okay, this lime contains lots of calcium and our nails need calcium. Okay, this calcium, this lime help you to protect strengthen your nail. We are going to stir it and make it in powder form. It is easily available in a pan shop. Okay, if you wish you can skip also, but it's better if you use this one. We will take one pot or any stick. Okay, and we will mix it properly. Okay, mix it properly. Okay, it is safe for the kids also. Okay, if your kids want to use nail polish, you just apply this base before applying nail paint. Now we will apply it in nail. This is my daughter's nail. Okay, I am going to apply it. At first it will look a little bit white, but when it dried up, okay, it will look transparent. Okay, let it dry. Okay, then if you wish you can use nail paint over it. Okay, it will protect your nail. If you like my ideas, please to subscribe my channel and please to hit the bell icon, so whenever I upload new video you will get the notification of my new video. And give like to my channel. Okay, and thanks for watching. Stay healthy, stay safe. Bye bye.